Hi beautiful people, I've been feeling weak and exhausted lately, and instead of reaching out for refined sugary drinks, I decided to make my own homemade beetroot cocktail, and here is exactly how I made it. The first step is to wash everything thoroughly. Clean ingredients makes a safer drink. I started with my carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin A supports healthy vision and skin. Carrots also adds a mild natural sweetness. The next ingredient we have on the list is cucumbers. Cucumber is mostly water, making it perfect for hydration. It equally adds a fresh and light taste to the cocktail. Next we have ginger. Ginger adds a warm spicy flavor to the cocktail. It is well known to support digestion and equally contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Next comes the lemon. Lemon gives the cocktail a bright and tangy flavor, and it's equally rich in vitamin C. And here comes the mighty beetroot. It gives this drink a beautiful deep red color, rich in antioxidants, folate, natural nitrates that support healthy blood circulations and improve stamina during physical activities. And finally, our pineapple for natural sweetness. It's equally an excellent source of vitamin C and helps in digestion. Plus, it balances the earthly taste of the beetroot. Make sure you use very sweet and juicy pineapple like the one you are watching in the video. This gives your cocktail a very nice and sweet taste. If you use sour pineapple, of course your cocktail will taste sour. Now I will blend everything together with clean water to a very smooth paste. My kids are always very excited when they see me producing this beetroot cocktail. It's one of their favorite drinks in the house. They love it so much. My first blender isn't blending properly because the voltage is low. I will then switch to another smaller blender with a stronger motor. Now it's time to sieve. I'm not using a fine sieve because I want some of the fiber to remain in my drink. If you prefer a smoother cocktail, you can use a finer sieve or even a cheesecloth. But for me, I want some fiber into my cocktail. And for the leftovers pulp, I use it in baking. In my kitchen or in my home, nothing is thrown away. Look at that, and our beetroot cocktail is ready. It is refreshing and tastes absolutely amazing. If you enjoy this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Home Based Production with Rosaline, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.